Hello everyone, let's begin with another one of our daily forex videos. Now what we talked about in the previous video was this opportunity on New Zealand dollar, and I'm quickly gonna go over it again just to see where price is currently and what has happened since that video. Alright, now don't forget to comment down below what other instrument do you want to see us analyze, and is there anything that you struggle with or anything that you're looking at as a potential setup. Okay, now what happened since we talked about the New Zealand dollar was that price continued higher for a little bit longer, and we talked about that once it enters this reversal zone here, then we are going to be waiting for a reversal signal, right? And so if I just zoom in, what we can see here is that if you were looking closely at the candles, we've got a reversal candle right here where we could have made an entry, and we've also got another one up here, right? So if we manage to get in on the close of this reversal candle, the open of the next one, then that means you should be currently running into profit. Okay, now if you've made your entry a bit earlier, then that's also absolutely fine, as it still looks like a decent valid setup. Alright, this trade looks good and we should expect a downside continuation. Alright, now if you haven't got involved yet, then what you can do is you can make an entry right now, but do not place your stop loss up here above this most recent high. Alright, your stop loss has to go up here if you're going to be making an entry now. Alright, or if you want to use a tight stop loss, then what I can suggest is to wait for a break below this market structure here, wait for that retest, make an entry, and then you can use a much tighter stop loss of about, let's say, 10-20 pips and expect a downside continuation. Alright, but at current price levels you shouldn't be looking for about 20 pips of stop loss. Alright, this is very risky and you're risking to be taken out, therefore you will have to look for another entry. And right now, to be honest, it's also possible that we could see another upside push before we actually see a downside continuation. Alright, so you've got to be careful here. Make sure that you wait for the right entry and also that you place the appropriate stop loss. Another opportunity that we've got here is the pound dollar. Alright, what we're looking at is this strong downside move, then we have an upside push, we have a pullback, and another upside push that is obviously weaker than that first impulse here. This indicates that price is slowing down and it's very likely that we will see lower values. Okay, but since we didn't see market entering that reversal zone, I'm expecting that we could see another slight push to the upside, which could happen on market open a little bit later on today, or maybe even in the next couple of days. But we might see market up here, and what we can do is to wait again for a reversal signal, a candle or a pattern formation, and then get involved in a short trade, expecting a downside of continuation of this previous move, right? Or again, another opportunity would be to wait for a break and close below this market structure here and then get involved, and that will be obviously an even more confirmed entry here. So I've just shared two opportunities with you guys, something that you can take advantage of. So like I said, make sure to comment down below what other pair or instrument do you want to see us analyze. Share with us what do you think of those two setups that we just looked at. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel because we've got loads of more valuable content for you. And also don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. You can find a link in the description down below, and follow us on social media as well. That's all for now, guys. I wish you all successful trading and I'll see you in the next video.